Hello, December, and here we are right in the middle of the holiday season.
Our favorite time of the year.
It is. And here I am at my home office where Anna and Emily are there in the studio.
And in front of us, we have our lovely selection of December crafts.
So, Anna, what's going on in trends for December?
Yes, we're seeing some beautiful muted tones of pinks and grays that work really well with both whites and more traditional holiday colors like we showed last month. Some of the trends we're seeing this month is kind of the need or want for creating a sense of calm around you. So we're seeing a lot of natural materials being incorporated. And we're also seeing a big trend towards paper decor, which is obviously one of our first loves. So some of the projects we've been sharing with you are the honeycomb ornaments from last month, or these Swedish snow stars.
So beautiful and intricate. I love this project because it looks very complicated, but it's actually a great one to do with family. Another big trend we're seeing coming up is tangible therapy. We've been doing this for years over here, and it's just using your hands to do some sort of repetitive motion in a way that can calm your brain from all the overload and the oversensory that comes along with this time of year.
So we really encourage you to do a little extra crafting, maybe a little extra baking, anything where you're using your hands and creating something beautiful.
And I've been learning how to embroider over the last month, and it's been such a wonderful use of my hands, and just it calms my mind, and I find it to be incredibly therapeutic. So we'll be seeing a little bit more embroidery in the next couple of months.
So let's take a look at the beautiful projects that we've created for the month of December.
My personal favorite is absolutely these beautifully adorable little seal stuffies that Krista made. Queen of Cute coming through again as usual. And I think these are
there's a little bit of embroidery there.
There's some embroidery. I recognize these stitches now that I'm learning them. So cute.
Yeah, some other fun felt products we have are these little felt stars, and we have these adorable, cute Scandi elves.
They're so cute. We have a whole family of them.
And
Ready
both
to
of
go?
those are for decorating the tree if you want to.
Yes, perfect for a Christmas tree, and another fun one to do with the young ones in your life.
One of my favorite projects this month is that beautiful royal star magnolia that Megan made for us.
And the great thing about any flower on a branch, it's so easy to decorate with. You can just pop it in a vase, or you can even lay it on your mantle.
The size of this one is absolutely fantastic. I love how big it is, especially if you have multiple branches. Just beautiful.
Something a little different in our collection is this wreath that Megan made. And she was looking to kind of emulate that dried, bleached out leaf look that's really popular right now. And she made this gorgeous wreath out of vellum paper.
I think this is so beautiful, and I think it would look great all year round.
Most of our December projects are really focused more on winter and less on a specific holiday, but we do have New Year's Eve coming. And although some of you may not be going out, you'll be staying home, I do encourage you to make yourself this gorgeous paper crown and wear it all night, no matter where you are.
This is a crown that I designed with our gold paper pack, and I think it is a really easy one, but it has a lot of impact with those 3D stars. And this is just a nice layered, easy project to do if you have a cutting machine especially. Let's take a look.
It's perfect for the selfie.
We hope that you will all take a selfie, share it on social media, and tag us at Leah Griffith so we can see.
So that brings us to our December member make. And this month, I will be teaching you guys how to make a little bit of an elevated hellebore. I've been using some frosted paper as well as crepe paper. We're adding some color with markers and pen pastels, and we're going to make these delicate, beautiful flowers with buds.
So make sure you grab the bundle for a member make at feltpapersisters.com.
We've also created a member make category for you in our shop where you can find all of our old member make bundles.
New in the shop this month is our limited edition felt kit. So we have created a dragon and a unicorn kit for you.
The dragon and the unicorn are actually two of the most popular stuffies on our site. So we've actually had Krista update the unicorn so that it matches the dragon, and this is unique to just the shop right now.
These make great holiday gifts, especially for anybody learning how to embroider, and they're limited edition, so make sure you grab them while you can.
Anna is always looking for new products for our shop, and she's sourcing them all over the world. So if you guys have anything that you're looking for or that you're wishing that we would sell, just send us an email at hello@leahgriffith.com, because we love to hear your feedback and we take every one of your emails to heart. We wish each and every one of you the warmest and coziest of holidays.
We will see you all here again in January.